Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to cook coconut milk pulao. We will take 3 tablespoons of oil, in the garlic paste 1 teaspoon, and some ginger paste, some crushed coriander seeds, some cloves, some peppercorns, some bay leaf. Here goes chicken. In chicken we will put fennel seeds and some dried lemon, and also goes 5 chilies, goes 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now later on we will adjust, and now mix it. So we will put 2 tablespoons of onion flakes, a little bit of water, and we will cook this one for 5 minutes. I will add some ginger, julienne ginger. Here goes the coconut milk. 2 cups of coconut milk. I will also add 2 cups of water. Now I will adjust my salt here. I will add some cumin, ground cumin, also crushed ground pepper. Now I will add rice here. I add some my ginger, julienne ginger, as well as some slices of tomatoes. And now we will cook it on our rice menu. Pulao is ready. This is our dish today, coconut chicken pulao. The aroma is excellent and the taste is wonderful. Enjoy.